What time did you get up with that, Linda?
5.
The good thing about being hard of hearing is I didn't hear.
She wasn't calling your name anyway.
Technically, she wasn't calling yours either.
Wish this Mark could get up and do his part.
Well, when I got up with her at 6, she was sneaking into she was looking in my mom's guest closet, and I said, what do you need? I had just seen if you had my presents in here. I said, there's no presents in there, and she was ticked. And then she said, Bonnie, your hair is awful. I'm sorry. Cover my eyes, too. I'm not ready for the day. She also asked me this morning if I was going shopping. I said, for what? My present. I said, I'm not going shopping this morning. One holiday at a time. One holiday at a time. Let's get through Thanksgiving. You got my present? Well, you better get on that. You need to go shopping.
Show me your hat Aunt Linda made. That's a turkey.
Yeah, it's a very beautiful turkey.
It is. I like it.
She asked me, she's like, will you wear it there? I'm like, yeah.
Yeah.
So it's my hat.
Olivia's a good sport. Put the rolls out here.
Okay.
Fireplace is warm.
You have curly hair.
So we're gonna try and warm them up and get them to expand.
Oh, you have curly hair, Missy.
I know.
This is gonna change everything on how I fix it.
Curly girls unite.
I love you till my lungs give out. I ain't a lying.
I'm all yours. You're
all mine.
Shut up! Did you say shut up? Or chin up?
I said chin up.
Oh, you're all. I said shut up.
No, I didn't say shut up. Kids don't say shut up. Shut up.
Turn off the camera.
Joel just went to get his parents' car because that will be a lot easier for you to get into. Yep, it'll be a lot easier for you to get into. While we're waiting, Olivia, should we show them our nails? I did the classic burgundy, but the red sparkles are saying Christmas. We're gonna decorate for Christmas the day after or even the night of Thanksgiving. You know what I'm saying? That's what that screams. Olivia's a classic all the way.
Yeah.
With her glue-ons.
Yeah. Cause I got piano.
Yeah, Olivia's got piano. She can't be permanently.
Yep.
I love.
As much as we want to.
Who made that for you?
Aunt Linda made this hat for me.
Did she want you to wear it?
Yeah, she's like, you want this? I'm like, sure. She's like, will you wear it? I'm like, yeah.
She's like, put it on.
Yeah, so anytime I take off, put it on. I'm like, okay.
You just pick up the whole thing? Yep, just like that.
Man, that's heavy.
Just like that.
I wish I could just roll it.
You can roll it. Yep, there you go. You hop in. It's a
It starts heading down to the neighbor's house.
You hop in. I'm gonna get you this pie. You carry it.
Yeah.
Please don't, you know, shatter it.
Oh, that's what
You situated? Okay. Want me to close this? Don't forget to come back and get me.
I'm gonna come back and we'll spend Thanksgiving here.
All right, see you in a minute. Okay, this is not cute.
Oh, but it's for Aunt Linda. She'll be happy.
Every day, you start down here,
Yeah.
you cut a piece of candy off. 1 day before Christmas. Okay? Do you think you can do that? Will you like that in your room?
Yeah, Buddy's gonna watch it for me.
Okay.
Okay?
I don't know that. I
Your
don't
kids
know.
help me put this together.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, try that one. I'll try this one.
Hey, Link.
that is using the same script that Disney does.
What color of Jello did you have?
I'm good, yeah.
Orange and red.
Can't do it
Shocking.
because they add just a
What
little
color
bit
is
You sure it wasn't green?
What color is your face?
Yes.
About the same color as your Jello.
You can eat that, Linda.
Yes.
It was not even my idea to get these out. It was actually Grandma's. So this is Grandma's fault. See, this is the point where we all take the kids' bells from them. Show them how it's done.
There's kids' bell time and adult bell time.
Frosty the snowman, he was alive as he could be. And the children
Tito, where's your shoes?
on the roof. On the roof.
On the roof. Who threw them up there?
She'll say maybe. Me and Zach.
No? Alright, do you know how to get up there, Coke? Come here, T. Come here. Oh,
Yep.
think you can do it?
This one me?
Yeah, that'll hold you.
He's on the other side for 2 seconds. Scary.
Okay, now look. Go up and go up this ridge right here. And then go to the front. Can you get it? Atta boy, Code.
Atta boy. Woohoo! Cody, follow my boys.
Cody, follow my boys.
There's a bunch of metal scraps.
Yeah, they're up there for Christmas decorations. Okay, go get those shoes.
Can I walk across?
Yeah, just cut across. Are you gonna jump down?
He did on our
I've jumped off this roof.
What?
I've jumped off that roof from there.
Oh, catch it. Wait, try to hide in the air.
No, not off the back. Throw it off the
Can I do
front.
one?
No, throw it off the front.
Hide. No, hide. So I can catch it. No, why'd you throw it out there?
Hey, that's my truck.
I didn't hit it.
All right, Tito,
Where's my... Zachary!
tuck and roll.
That's Zachary. Oh.
Everyone's left. We're cleaning up. It's quieting down. But I have to show you this little station that Stan made for the kids. This is the VCR player that Cody has been obsessively talking about. If you've been watching, you know. Stan has a record player up there. We've got all the VCRs, the tapes down here. Just a fun little area for the kids to hang out with. Here's how the conversation just went. We just got Linda put to bed. And that was a big day. That was a really big day. And so when we got home, I think she was a little worked up. And so Joel took the kids out joyriding. He didn't let the kids drive in a parking lot because that would super be irresponsible. And Grandpa might be mad if he knew that Joel allowed the kids to do something like that, which is why he didn't.
Yeah.
It's why he didn't. And me and Aunt Linda turned off the lights and got a blanket and let her vent. And then she took a nap. And then I was like, is she gonna sleep tonight? And so, you know, then I'm like, okay, Joel, go wake her up.
Gotta play the wake up from a nap game so you can put him to bed game. Like an infant again.
But she is happily in bed. And after we put her in bed, she called Joel back over to the bed.
With her like machine on, you know, just
So you can't understand what she's saying.
talking through there. I thought she had something important or something was bothering her. She needed fixed or whatever.
Both are valid here.
No, she's like rattling off her Christmas list already again, just in case I forgot.
And you can't hear her, but you know exactly what she's saying because she's talking about a zipper. And then she's talking about how big the chocolate box she wants. And sometimes it's big, sometimes it's small, depending on how, like, what she thinks she can get away with. But she was, you know, we couldn't hear her, but she's talking like this and talking about this and
Luggage.
a suitcase.
Yeah.
So we know exactly what she wants for Christmas. Okay.
Last words before she goes to bed.
It'll be her first words when she wakes up too.
Yep. No, the first words will be, Mark.
Okay, well, we'll see what time she wakes up. We hope you guys had a really good Thanksgiving. It was really fun hearing from my parents. They were surrounded by young missionaries, which made me feel good because I'm like, oh, good, they have like people, you know? They're not alone. And
I remember the holidays, you kind of just banded together. You'd
Really?
be homesick together a little bit and do your own thing. And I like that your parents don't isolate themselves like some senior couples might. They just join in with the missionaries.
Yeah, I was really hoping that my parents weren't feeling homesick, and I hope that they weren't. I really appreciated how sweet your family was with Linda. That was really great. Thank you guys so much for watching our Thanksgiving 2022. Hope you guys all had a good one.
Bye,
Bye
guys.
guys.